Hello and welcome back to Simple Tech Reviews. Today we'll be having a look at the DC4213 3-channel dash camera from Ombar. Chances are you may be looking for a dash cam that can provide recording from the front, rear, and inside of your vehicle. The Ombar DC4213 does exactly this, giving you the options to record these 3 different angles at the same time. Let's begin with the unboxing. Inside we can find the accessories box with the USB-C power adapter, the connection extension cable, a suction cup mount, a USB-C cable to connect the camera to your computer, some plastic clips and a pry tool to route the cables, the adjustable rear camera, the inside cabin camera, and finally the front-facing camera with a 4-inch touch screen. We also have the user manual and some plastic films for easy installation and removal of the camera on the windshield. The main camera comes with 64 GB of built-in storage, so you don't have to worry about using SD cards. It also has GPS for adding tracking information to your video recordings. You can use 3 different recording modes with this camera. First, you have 4K if you only use the front camera. If you use the front and 1 additional camera, you will have 2K for the front and 1080p for the second. And if you use all 3 cameras at the same time, they will all record at 1080p. The inside cabin camera comes with infrared lights, which will give you a clear view of the driver and passengers inside the car at night. You will be able to configure the camera and see the recordings using the 4-inch touchscreen, but you can also connect to its Wi-Fi hotspot and use the K-Cam app to change all settings from your phone. The cameras connect relatively easy with each other. First, connect the power adapter to the extension cable, then the USB plug to the front camera, and the other 2 cameras connect with a 2.5mm jack. The overall recording quality is good, but a bit on the grainy side. This is especially noticeable from the front camera that shows artifacts on the video recordings. Fortunately, these are not very noticeable on the rear recordings, which come out quite clear. And the inside cabin recordings also look well both during the day and night with the infrared lights. Overall, I can say that this is a good camera, especially if you need 3 simultaneous recordings, for example if you drive for a company such as Uber or Lyft. Hopefully the manufacturer will be able to improve the overall quality of the front camera's recordings in the future, and this would make the Ombar a great contender in the dash cam market. Anyway, that will do it for today's video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing, sharing, and clicking the bell icon for more. Up next are some more recording sample clips. I'll see you again on our next video.